how to fix FiveM error. The selected path does not contain GTA5.exe file. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the selected path does not contain a GTA5 exe error when launching FiveM. It's actually a really simple fix, so stick with me and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alright, first you need to locate your GTA5 installation folder. So just right-click on GTA5 icon from your desktop, and then select Open File Location. This will take you straight to the folder where GTA5.exe is located. Once you're in that folder, click the address bar at the top and copy the full path to the folder, not the file, just the folder. This is what we're going to use in the next step. Now, search for FiveM on your PC or right-click the shortcut. Select Open the File Option. And once you're in the folder, look for another folder called FiveM Application Data. Open that. Inside here, look for a file named CitizenFX. That's the one we need to edit. Right-click the CitizenFX file and open it with Notepad. Once it opens, you'll see a line where you can paste the path to your GTA5 folder. That's the one we copied earlier. So just replace the existing path with the new one you copied and save the file. And that's it. Now launch FiveM again and the error should be completely gone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more fixes and tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.